Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the vibration intensity test in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so this is a Realme X7 Pro, which I recently got in my studio. And right now, I'll be discussing about the vibration intensity in the Realme X7 Pro. So let's see what are the options you are having with the vibration intensity in this smartphone, and what are the things you need to know before buying this device. So in case if you're planning to buy the Realme X7 Pro, make sure to follow me regularly because I'll be doing so many comparisons and so much of testings battery in terms of the Realme X7 Pro. So make sure to follow me regularly and try to check the links in description also for the playlist of this smartphone, so you can find all the videos in one playlist together. So first thing is that to change the vibrations option, you need to go to the settings and go to the sound and vibrations. So once you're in the sound and vibrations, so here you can find the vibration intensity as well. So at one place you are having the two options. So one is a vibration of the ringing and one is a vibration of the touch. So this is pretty much useful feature, friends. Definitely in one location you're getting two different options. So I did not see in other smartphones where this kind of functionality is available. So it's the Realme it's pretty good in terms of adding this kind of very easy and comfortable options at all together at the same time. So here you can adjust the ringing vibration intensity as well. If you want to decrease the ringing intensity, you can decrease. And next is a vibration on touch. So this is a vibration on touch. Mostly I would leave to the strong only, and the vibration on ring I would like to keep it to the weak as well, so because not to damage the vibration motors for the long time usage. Whenever you change this option, you do get this kind of vibrations on the back side. So in the video you may not be able to listen to the vibrations, but you can feel the vibrations of the back side as soon as you change to the options. So let me try to bring the mobile phone to the close to the camera, so maybe you might be able to listen to the audio. So let me try to touch the phone to the camera right now. So this is with the medium intensity, and with the strong intensity. As you can see here, friends, this is with a strong intensity. So overall I would prefer to use the weak intensity only during this time. And the touch is also pretty good in terms of having that kind of very good feedback in the smartphone. So definitely previously I was using the Realme X2 Pro. I never felt any problem with the touch touch feedbacks while typing using any keyboard. But this keyboard feels actually very much better when typing. So let me try to bring the very close to camera. As you can see, friends, you can listen the sound as well, so which is also very good, and you'll get a very good experience as well while typing in the smartphone. You'll get a premium kind of experience when you're using this keyboard in the Realme X7 Pro device. So overall I'm very much happy with this vibration intensity options in the Realme X7 Pro. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.